Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to solve Power BI sign-in problem. First, make sure your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can check this by opening other websites or apps, and if needed, restart your Wi-Fi to refresh the connection. Next, ensure that your email and password are correct. If you've forgotten your password, click Forget Password to reset it. Also, make sure you are using the correct work or school account rather than a personal account if required. If you are signing in through a browser, go to Settings, then Privacy, and clear your browsing data. If you are using the Power BI app, try restarting it or uninstall and reinstall it to fix any issues. Additionally, make sure you are using the latest version of Power BI. You can update it through the Microsoft Store or uninstall and reinstall the app to ensure you have the most recent build. Finally, some accounts require company permissions from an IT admin. Confirm that your account has access to Power BI services and contact your admin if your login is blocked. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.